Finally, 1-cent SHIB confirmed. Shiba Inu coin news today. Meme token Shiba Inu has ticked a high network activity recently. This comes at a time when the entire market is bleeding. Hence, investors are keen on understanding if this movement is just a temporary setup or points towards a bullish surge for SHIB in the coming days. Today we're going to talk all about why SHIB is going to 1 cent soon.
Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the SHIB news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more SHIB news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments.
Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 3rd of July, shall we? At the time of recording, SHIB was flat at 1,200 millions of a dollar. A mixed start to the day saw SHIB rise to an early morning high of 1,800 millions of a dollar before falling to a low of 987 millions of a dollar. SHIB left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. A move through the 1,020 millions of a dollar pivot to the target, the first major resistance level at 1,040 millions of a dollar, and the Friday high of 1,058 millions of a dollar. Broader market sentiment would need to improve to support a return to 1,010 millions of a dollar. An extended rally should test the second major resistance level at 1,080 millions of a dollar and resistance at 1,100 millions of a dollar. The third major resistance level sits at 115.10 millions of a dollar. Failure to move through the pivot would leave the first major support level at 98 millions of a dollar in play. Barring an extended sell-off throughout the day, SHIB should avoid the second major support level at 95 millions of a dollar. The third major resistance level sits at 88 millions of a dollar. The EMAs and the 4-hourly candlestick chart send a bearish signal. SHIB currently sits below the 100-day EMA at 1,010 millions of a dollar. This morning, the 50-day EMA narrowed to the 100-day EMA. The 50-day and the 100-day EMAs eased back from the 200-day EMA, price negative. A move through the first major resistance level at 104.10 millions of a dollar would bring the 100-day EMA into play. Now let's get back to the topic. Shiba Inu has struggled for consistency recently, but one can let go of this considering the hyper volatility in crypto markets, especially given the Terra and 3AC crashes. At the height of the crisis, SHIB dropped to as low as 72 millions of a dollar, but gradually recovered with the recovering market. Currently trading at 98 millions of a dollar, SHIB is still bullish as compared to its price of the 29th of June. This is a rare sight in the crypto market, especially after Bitcoin fell below $20,000 again and news of 3AC's insolvency took charge. So what does it all mean for SHIB? Can we expect a bullish run now? SHIB is all we have for now. As per a recent Santiment tweet, network activity on the Shiba Inu network has been on a rise. Furthermore, latest data suggests there is a 35% increase in active addresses in the past 10 days alone. This is a big step forth for the struggling meme token. Additionally, as per a SHIB burn update, 23.4 million SHIB tokens have been burned in 3 transactions. However, there was no significant impact of the burning on the SHIB price, which continues to be undervalued. Interestingly, there is increased hope for a bull run for SHIB now. Investors are hoping that after completing the burning of 400 trillion tokens, Shiba can pick it off from here. However, a quick look at the metrics can be important to get a better idea of investor sentiment. A reading of the market cap shows a recent surge after a tremendous recovery from the crash earlier in June. Currently standing at $5.42 billion, SHIB's market cap fell from $6.55 billion just over 4 days ago. This represents a big chunk that is now lost from the Shiba Inu network. The social dominance metric depicted remarkable data. At press time, it was ranging at a monthly high, which shows investors' increased interest in SHIB. This constant engagement about Shiba Inu on social media is further expected to be a crucial component in kickstarting any attempts of a bull run. One false breakout is a sign on the wall in Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu price is set to close out the week with a loss after the bullish soft patch in the last week of June, where some cryptocurrencies saw a complete collapse of the price action with lower lows against the lows from last week. SHIB price looks in far better shape and still has the bearish cap in hindsight, with bulls set to strike at any moment. For now, expect the bearish momentum to overweigh, but a turn in sentiment looks to happen over the coming summer weeks. SHIB price could be set for a slim 20% decline. Shiba Inu price slipped further to the downside, after price action tried to pop above and break the 55-day simple moving average that has been hanging over the price action as a watchdog, keeping the downtrend in play. Bulls saw their attempt cut short and got trapped in a bull trap, squeezing them to the downside and trying to have them cut their losses. However, an acceleration to the downside did not happen, as seen with some other cryptocurrencies. SHIB price could still slide below July's new monthly pivot at $984.10 million and close there on Sunday night, with possibly $810 million as a target around the $1 support level. With the pivots of July much closer together, supportive resistances will mute price action even further and see momentum building for a breakout. To the downside, that could still mean a drop to $500–700 million. However, a weekly close above the 55-day SMA would be a big game changer and could even prelude the end of the downtrend as we know it. As mentioned in the previous paragraph, with the tighter pivot levels, a break to the upside could easily rally to $1,708 million, as the summer seasonality always comes with thinner liquidity, and in correlation to that, more significant price moves. That would mean that the whales who bought into the price action a few weeks ago were onto something, as they will be looking at a shiny 110% gain. While the cryptocurrency market yielded massive gains, Shiba Inu's growth was historic, something that the crypto market had never witnessed before. Within a period of a year, SHIB was able to eradicate almost 6 zeros from its market value, with a single-year gain of over 45 million %. SHIB also became the most viewed crypto asset of 2021, overtaking major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But after several market meltdowns, increased volatility, and enhanced inflation, SHIB has emerged as one of the top crypto coins that Americans wish to sell off. The study was based on the information and statistics that were derived from a survey using Google Trends, which aims to compare the two digital assets using keywords or phrases such as sell Shiba Inu and sell Dogecoin. The study reveals that Shiba Inu has emerged as the top cryptocurrency that is being sold online. Generally, such surveys aim to deliver crucial insights on which digital assets investors sell the most and where they are selling them. Experts believe such sentiments have only emerged after Bitcoin and Terra's major crash, which took down the value of the entire crypto market. The majority of investors from about 19 states in the USA are searching for different methods to sell Shiba Inu, including states like Florida, Nevada, New York, and Tennessee. There are other states like Oregon, Kansas, Illinois, and Pennsylvania, to name a few, where Bitcoin has emerged as the top cryptocurrency that investors wish to sell off.
That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!